In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Wells Fargo app not working. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, you can give a fresh restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Next up, check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Wells Fargo. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, you'll need to first restart the app. For that, launch Wells Fargo app. Completely close it from the app switcher. Then relaunch it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, you can try other steps. So clear cache and cookies. For that, launch settings. Go to general. Go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Wells Fargo and launch it. Click on offload app. Confirm it. Then click on reinstall app. Likewise, check the device storage. You can head back. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, check for your device software update. For that, head back, go to software update. If you found out any updates, you will need to update it. Next, check the server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Head over to the website down detector. Search for Wells Fargo. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Lastly, completely delete Wells Fargo app from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. By following these steps, your Wells Fargo app should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.